everybody doing? So I hope you guys all had an amazing Christmas. Merry late Christmas, by the way. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Christmas haul, everything that I got for Christmas. I got some really cute things, including some foxes, and I know you guys are going to love it, so let's get started. So right now my Christmas stuff is kind of all just jumbled up in a pile, so I'm going to set it up so it looks more, I don't know, just so it looks better for you guys. Okay, so that took a few minutes, but I laid everything out, so now I can show you guys. I think we should start on this side. Okay, so first I'm going to start on the very left. I have this cute little seahorse night light. If I turn it on, you wouldn't be able to see it, but it has different colors. It has like a timer, so that's super cute. I got all this popcorn from my brother, and I got some hot chocolate. I got Beanie Boos. I got lots of Beanie Boos. Some of them are on the other side. I got this one, which is super unique. It's like, I think it's like a little ostrich, but isn't it like so cute? And then I got this ginormous fox pillow, which I love so much. I got this pineapple neck pillow. There's another Beanie Boo right there. And I got this super cute heart thingy. I think it could be used for maybe pencils or like toiletries, but it's super cute and I love it. And then I got another huge pink fox, which is like super soft. And then I already showed you guys that Beanie Boo, but I got some metallic color pencils, which I'm super excited about. I got this super cute fox notebook, some more Beanie Boos. That one's flip sequin. Oh, and look at this really cute like pineapple lamp. It lights up rainbow. It's hard to explain. It's like actually like kind of squishy. It's not hard like you would expect it to be. Then I got a little panda, a little dragon. I got this super cool suitcase back there. I love that. And then I got a Disney Parks cookbook, which I'm literally so excited about this. Like, I cannot wait to look at all the recipes. Apparently there's Dole Whip, so I am literally thrilled to try that recipe. It's gonna be super fun. And then I got this cute little pin from my brother. It's Mickey Mouse Santa. And I also got this from my brother, Chris, if you were wondering which one. Okay, so anyways, I got some bath bombs, a cute little rainbow leopard, another rainbow leopard, and a little cat. I got these adorable little bags. This one's like super shiny. If you can tell, it's super pretty. I think it looks cool on camera, but in real life, like when you're actually touching it, it's cooler. And this one, it's cool because like there's different textures for each stripe. It's also really shiny. Like this was like a leather almost feeling. This one's like fuzzy. And these ones are like, I don't know. It's really interesting. I like it though. I think I'll probably end up using this as like a pencil case or something. I think it's a little bit see-through. But it's like super cool. Like, isn't that like so cool looking? I could look at that all day. But moving on. Let's see. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys some of the other Beanie Boos back here. Oh yes, and I think this is gonna be super cool and I can't wait to open it. I'm gonna open it today. So I think it's gonna be cool. I'm excited to see how it works. Okay, next I got some Reese's and I got some more, but I already ate them. So that's why I only have 2 left. And then I got this cute little cat over here, some more Beanie Boos, and then I got this Swiss Miss marshmallow fox on it. Like, isn't that so cute how there's a fox? I just love that so much. I freaked out when I saw it. And then just some more hot cocoa mix, double chocolate. That looks literally so good. I actually just had one of my hot chocolates last night. It was super good. And I ended up eating like most of my treats and candies that I got from my grandparents last night also. So yeah, I kind of ate a lot of candy last night. Oops. And I was so excited because I got a Nintendo Switch. Oh my gosh. So when I first saw it, I was like, I was excited, but I feel like I'm more excited now. I don't know why, but also look how cool that case is. Isn't that like super cool? So I've been like playing it non-stop. It's like super fun, but I'm gonna show you guys the actual color it is. It's a pretty unique color, I think. So it's yellow, and I have to show you guys. It came with this really cool protector on the back. It's like sparkly, and I put some stickers inside. It's super cute. I love it. And I have just a couple games. I have Yoshi's Crafted World, Animal Crossing, which I'm still learning how to play. I got this little dog one up here, which is pretty cute. I got regular Mario, and I think I also have Mario Kart, which is in right now. So that was super cool. I literally love the case, and I was so excited that I got this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some clothes I got. So I got this really cute shirt right here, and I actually got leggings too. which were like gray and white. I don't know how to explain them, but I wore them yesterday, so now they're dirty. But yeah, at least you know that I got leggings. And I got these matching sweatpants. These ones match that one. And I got this other pair of very cute sweatpants. Since I'm literally growing out of everything, I literally needed more pants because I had none left. So luckily I got these. But they're like really soft and I love the designs on them. And from my grandma, I got this super adorable apron. It's teal and orange. I feel like on camera it looks a little bit more blue, but it's more teal looking like in real life. It's really cute though and it fits me perfectly. Yep, there it is. I also got this super cute little sweet treat coupon from my auntie, and I'm very excited because she said that I can pick anything and then she'll make it for me. So I'm still thinking, I don't know what it's going to be yet. So I just realized I almost forgot to show you guys the Lego set I got. So I got one Lego set, and it was this one. I just finished building it last night. It took a while. It is a water park. It is literally so cute. It's actually really unique because look at this cool slide over here. It was super fun to build and it has so many cute details. Look at this little ice cream truck. I also got this super cute hat. I love it so much. And look, there's a pineapple on it. It's like pink clear, but it's really cute. I love it. So whenever Disneyland opens up, I'm gonna have to wear it. But, oh, I forgot to tell you who it's from. It's from Auntie Hee. I also got this spirit jersey that you guys saw me wearing in the video. Super Christmas. I especially love the dog. So adorable. I also got this super cute purse. And this is how it opens. So this was a super fun video to make. I had a great Christmas and I'm still thankful for everything I got, and I hope that you guys had a good Christmas too and that you liked watching this video. So Merry late Christmas and Happy New Year. See you guys later. Bye.